gender checks.
But don't I look like, guys, I look like a pedophile's dream.
You do. I look so good in it. Like,
I look like a pedophile's dream.
Tats,
Like the
with
bows.
everything. Like 60, 17-year-old Japanese, Malaysian Japanese girl.
Alright, now Kateku. Or Tashiwasta. Yeah, I look like I'm doing that shit. Anyway.
Look how my bitch look like 360.
Guys, who knows what's gonna happen with us right now? Honestly, the world might end and we don't know. We don't know.
But you're gonna end looking good. It's gonna end looking good.
Yeah, but you're leaving me. I actually hate you.
I'm gonna come back. I promise. You see, they might think. They might think I'm gonna come back. I promise.
Okay, hold this man to his promise. He said he's gonna come back.
And he's gonna go live, and I'm gonna come back, and we're still gonna look good together. I'm gonna gym so you can have
Yeah, do the bro. And the world might end. The world really might end. And he would have never came back to be a real one. What do you know about being a real one?
Can they type everyone? Can they type everyone?
You have to say something that no one else knows about you.
What's up?
Lola, yeah, okay. Say something that no one knows about you.
I'm the shit. Okay, everyone knows that.
Everyone knows that. I would like to think everyone knows you're the shit.
Why are they sending me fireworks? What are those?
No, because Instagram does that. You could do this and you could do this, for example.
I don't go on lives. I'm scared of them.
Why?
Cause
yes, you see.
I was nuts.
I'm in
Love. So I'm doing it wrong.
Fuck the shit.
Yo, dog, let's finish. I have to go, man. What's I need? So this thing, you're not gonna zip it up over there. You don't have to. You can if you want.
I'm wearing 2 skirts. Is this thing even considered a skirt?
Yeah, this is good.
Oh, baby.
Okay. So.
Guys, if I'm not responding to your comments, it's because I'm too far to read them. I would like a pet coat.
I want a fit cow. But like that, have you seen those massive cows? Like,
Yeah.
So we did this, right?
So we say just a bit tighter. Like I just want to look like.
that's fine, because I like the distress.
Yes. I want to look like I have shape still.
Okay, who's coming? That's your friend. Is someone after this? Are you going straight on thingy?
After this, I have to go do a dry run and then I'm going on.
Okay.
You might have to stay.
Oh my god.
Yeah, because I don't trust anyone doing this.
You just gave us the best news of our lives. Lola is a hater. She's my wife.
I'm not a hater.
No, guys, we wanted, guys.
I'm not a hater.
Do you know how it feels to beg someone to be around and they're telling you, I can't be around? I've been calling you the whole day saying, what time? And you're like, get there. No, get there. I'm coming at like 12. I'm coming at like 12. I'll see you. She treated me
I arrived.
like
I arrived
like
within the hour of
fucking
12.
Bitch, she treated me like I was just some hun. She was like, no, Shamiso, yeah, I'll come see you. I'll come at 12. Like,
Guys,
now
Shamiso's wrong. You're rude, dog.
no, but you were very lackluster about it. I was calling you to say let's
But you're wrong.
let's push.
But you're wrong. You see now, you've been putting makeup on. Move. Okay, so let's put it now. I just want to see what it's going to look like.
But tight.
This is the thing with the pinning, right? This is what
Hi, Shaquille.
you can take the process.
Yeah, but the crosses are gonna.
He's here on my life, but I don't know. He probably left. Anyway, guys, Lola is a traitor.
I don't like this negative energy going my way.
Okay, cancel your meeting.
It's a fake Friday.
You can't. Exactly.
So I must get money.
No, I want you to get money.
Yeah.
Why can't you get it like later or
No.
tomorrow? It has to be today.
Today.
Okay, then unfortunately,
Imagine.
we are done with
No, that's fine. That's fine.
And you, Nat.
Wait,
I
hold
know
on.
she's my boss.
No, I know she's your boss.
Uh-huh.
Take your phone out,
Yeah.
open it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna delete your number from your phone.
Imagine.
But you also just
I
fucking
need
look
to-
so cool just to work. I love this outfit. You
Thank
should
you,
be in
Mom.
Greece.
So I need you to. Okay, so look. No, you're not playing around. You're doing this. Pick this one here.
Girl, I need you to focus on her because I don't want to fucking speak.
So you're showing people your outfit before the thing.
Yeah, because I mean, fuck y'all.
Aye. So people comment. Guys, I'm scared of lives.
Intimidated.
So, Lola, do you know someone who could manage me? I really need a manager. You know, Kanye once said, I don't have a manager, I can't be managed.
Okay. So when you pin it, you're gonna have to do it this way, Lee, so that it doesn't move this way.
Oh,
So
she
that's
can
that.
do that.
Okay. Because you know the pink outfit I sent you with the skirt like this? Yes. That's you. I wanna make that shirt.
You give it to someone else?
No, for you.
Oh, wait.
I don't know. And that's why I said when's your next event so we can make it.
I have an event on Saturday, but it's in Bloom.
You can find something for Bloom.
Something in Johannesburg.
You can find something for Bloom.
Guys, okay, let's go.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Hold on.
No, there's a little bit.
It's fine. Okay, do it the way that you did it now. You'll figure it out. Even if you have to sew it with a thin needle when you do it, just so that she's more comfortable. But do it the way that you did it now. I just want to show you guys that one. Because I need a
Lola, these shoes shame.
I'll go buy you.
I'll ghost you.
I'm
I'll ghost you. It's simple.
I'm literally
That's how
going to
people get
Santa.
scammed. They just get ghosted and blocked. Yeah. I'll just block you everywhere, and I'll wear your shoes, and I'll take pictures in your shoes, and you'll always be like, Shamiso has the nerve to fucking wear my shoes.
Goddamn nerve. That goddamn nerve. Okay, so. Okay. So I need you to. You're gonna have to pull it like across, like this. Then what you do? No. Then hold on. Let go.
Fucking man.
You must watch.
No, I'm not.
Then from where the
That's
pocket
pretty
is, that's where you tie it. So let's keep doing this like this. Because we need it.
Anyway, you guys are boring the fuck out of me. Bye.
You're so aggressive.